Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and quick recipe of this spinach and cheese stromboli. This Italian dish is one of my favorite beside pasta and pizza, and we are going to prepare this in no time, and it is really delicious, and I really love the spinach. So this recipe, if you love spinach, then this recipe is perfect for you. So hey everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Let's start with a half cup of milk at a room temperature. To this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is food for yeast, so this is must, and mix really well until the sugar dissolves. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. This will give a nice texture to the outer layer. Mix it really well, and we are going to add yeast. I'm using 1 packet, which is 1/4 of an ounce, and mix gently so that we don't want it to kill the yeast, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it foams up in a warm place. Now in a separate bowl we are going to take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then add salt as per taste. I measure 1 plus 1/4 teaspoon of salt for this amount of flour, and then almost 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil that you like. And to give a nice garlicky flavor, I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can skip it if you don't like it. Now the mixture has nicely foamed up, so I'm going to add this to the flour and knead a dough. Now add water as required to make a sticky dough. So I have added about another half a cup of water, and the dough should be sticky like this. Now on a clean kitchen surface I'm going to dust some flour, and then take this sticky dough and knead until it is smooth. Right now it's sticky, but as you knead it will become smoother and smoother, and it will activate the gluten in it. And add about 1 tablespoon of butter in between, and then knead it until it's really smooth and not sticky anymore. This is really easy. You can also use this dough for pizza. So now I'm going to tuck the dough in and put it in a bowl and cover it with a plastic film and let it rest for about 30 minutes in a warm place. Now for the stuffing, I'm going to wash spinach. Here I have taken 1 bunch of spinach, nicely washed, and I'm going to chop it finely like this. So this is about 2.5 cups of chopped spinach here. Now heat a pan, and I'm going to take 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add chopped garlic and green chili as per your taste. You can take more or less as per your taste. And I'm going to saute this for about a minute until the raw flavor of garlic goes away. Then add spinach and cook until the spinach is wilted and it's a nice and soft like this. Now I'm adding cottage cheese. Here I have Indian cottage cheese, but you can also use feta cheese. If you don't know how to make Indian cottage cheese, I have link in the description box below. Now mix it really well. For the spice, I'm going to use oregano, or you can use mixed Italian herbs, and then salt as per taste. mix really well, and I'm going to turn off the heat. Spinach doesn't take too long to cook, so turn off the heat, let the mixture cool. And now our dough has well rested and it's doubled, as you can see. So I'm just going to punch it down to deflate it and knead for a few seconds here. Now take a portion and we are going to roll it into a flat sheet. It doesn't have to be round, just oblong shape, and not too thick and not too thin. Now add stuffing on one side of the sheet like this, and I'm adding mozzarella cheese here, nice and cheesy. Now I'm going to roll it like this, and we wanted to seal the edges. I'm going to remove the excess dough and round it up like this, and make some cuts so that heat can escape while baking, and it gives a nice look as well. Now apply some oil, and I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds so that it gives a nice look as well as the nutty flavor. And it's ready for baking. So I prepared all the stromboli, and I have preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's nice and golden like this. So it's all done. It's really looking nice. Look how beautiful it looks, nice and golden and crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. So let me know in the comment box below how you like the recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe with your loved ones. And you must try it today. It's so easy, and with this perfect measurement you never go wrong with it. So try it today, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.